So today I'll show you how to connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Pros to a Mac or MacBook. Now, this is very simple, and these headphones come with a dongle that you plug into the USB port of your computer and they connect automatically. So I'm going to plug in this dongle to a USB port on my Mac. Now, in case you have a MacBook, one of these modern MacBooks which only have Type-C, then you might need an adapter, an OTG adapter, like this one. Okay, so you plug in the dongle into the adapter, and then the adapter with the dongle into the USB port of your Mac. Okay, so like that, and then I can plug this into my Mac, and I should be good to go. You might be asked to allow accessory to connect. You might just need to click on allow, and the next step now is to turn on the headphones. So I'm gonna long press here to turn them on. As soon as you see that green light, let go and allow the headphones to turn on, and they should connect. Okay, so once that light goes steady, it means they are successfully connected. So if we go to the sound output device, just click on the control center and then click on sound, and you can see the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros have been detected, and you can select them as the sound output device. Now you can wear your headphones and consume the media from these headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.